Hello there! So, nandito kami ngayon sa Royal Duty Free dito sa Subic. So, first time ni Johnny at ni Kayla pumunta sa Duty Free. So, gusto ko ipa-experience sa kanila kung ano ba talaga ang Duty Free. So, titingin-tingin kami na pwede naming mabili na konti lang naman. Big Mentos and big Chupa Chups. They're all giant. Yes, because it's duty free. Di ba yan yung pinapabili mo? Or you change your mind? Twix na yun? Which Twix? Eh, yan Twix din, no? Sige, 2.
Sila?
Oo nga.
Tapos dito naman, extra.
Ito, ba masarap tong Cadbury.
Ano is it?
Ito, totoo. Ito, oh. Ito, masarap to. Kahit may nuts.
No.
Ah,
Wala.
the one, saan yung nagsasabi na wala? Oh, ito wala.
Tunaw sa card. Eh,
So, let's try to find Vietnamese noodles.
Hey.
Hayaan mo siya, magkikita naman tayo Japan.
Purchasing company earner personnel, please use the counter 13 immediately.
Masarap yan?
No.
Yeah. Because it is made of...
Can you picture it? Inside the me. It's grape
Blackberry
and
jam.
peanut butter.
Yeah.
That's cool. We should try it.
Meatballs. Ah, chicken and
Or
noodles.
this one. Ito na ano.
Ito lalagyan na lang to ng tubig. Pero okay na yun. It's more It's cheaper, pero mas marami I think yan, yung lulutuin pa. If bumili ako ng pasta noodles. These pasta noodles are cool. Ito oh, kaso lang pag naluto to sobrang taba, sobrang laki.
Yeah, and then this looks like ew. It looks like a
Ito oh, Jun, no? It has different flavor.
mainit.
Mainit ya, may sili.
Ano to?
Ito, ay same. Hot and spicy. Ito, Hanford. Let's explore the snacks. Alright, let's try.
I tried it before yung
All of them are big. Oh, which one?
I don't know. This is nice because it's gold.
Eh, dito may mga kakaibang kakaibang flavor ng chips. Wait, that's not ours. Put it down. It's in peso. You can get 1, 2. Was that good?
yeah. Two. Okay na. How much money do you have? Is it enough?
I don't know, but I have 2,000 pesos. Let's find coffee, but the slimming coffee. That is what I want. Sige, isip ka ng pang lunch.
The original.
This one?
Nagawa talaga sila ng cookie crumb para nilagay mo sa milk.
We have it.
Nilagay mo sa ice.
Oh, this one are cake. Dati nung hindi pa ako marunong mag-bake, ito yung mga binibili ko. Yung para gusto mo hahaluan.
Okay. Picturean mo nga.
You want? Even of his flavor. There's cherry, tropical, cherry,
Oh my God.
cherry Coca-Cola.
Grabe naman to.
There's root beer.
Can I have
Pero nasa Japan.
Oh.
Everything sa duty free looks so nice. They should add more.
Oh, ito nga oh, ginger.
Mama, mas marami pa yung variety dito.
Siyempre, kasi many of the products here are from abroad. Import. Okay. This is for baby yata.
Because Mr. Romeo Pascual. Mr. Romeo Pascual, one chocolate please. So now, please call the donate immediately.
Anong tawag sa ano dito?
I think it's so big.
Aside from duty free.
Duty. What is pine sol?
Ano dito?
Hindi, ito yung mga ginagamit for... Be, hindi ka pa nakaisip ng
Pero yung product na to,
who said?
mga ads, I remember watching.
Canned goods pa rin yun, be. Yung na iba lang.
cold? But if it's not cold, I
Ayan yung duck, oh.
It's not?
Gustong gusto nila yan.